Lucknow, the host city of the INQUA 2027, is the capital of the Uttar Pradesh state and is well known for its unity in diversity in many aspects. Today, let us delve into the geology of this place. Hi, this is me, Mira, bringing you yet another episode of INQUA 2027, which is going to be on Geology of Lucknow area. Geologically, Lucknow is located on the central Ganga plain between Ganga interfluve. And you know how the Ganga plain or the Gangetic plain was formed? The Ganga plain, also called the Gangetic plain, was formed millions of years ago during early Miocene period. It was created when the Indian landmass bent downward under the weight of the growing Himalayas, which also caused the mountains to rise. This process gave birth to the vast Ganga Basin. The Ganga Basin has all the typical features of a foreland basin: a cratonic bulge, the Bundelkhand Plateau as a raised region, a plain, that is Ganga plain, where sediments were deposited, the deformed layers of sediments and rock as the Shivalik Hills, and the towering Himalayas, the world's longest mountain range, bordering the basin. The Ganga plain is divided into three parts: Upper Ganga plain, Central Ganga plain, and the Lower Ganga plain. Geologically, Lucknow is located on the Central Ganga plain in the Ganga interfluve. The Ganga plain is one of the important physiographic subdivisions of India, which is the most densely populated region and largest alluvial plain of the world. The Lucknow and adjoining areas are densely populated regions because of the unique climate, landscape, fertile soil, water, land, and vegetation, which provides conducive environment for the survival of life and so the culture and civilization. The Central Ganga plain is one of the largest segments where most of the lakes, ponds, and fluvial channels here were formed during the late Quaternary. Well, Lucknow is located at the bank of the meandering Gomti River, which cuts through older alluvium, newer alluvium, recent alluvium, and many active and inactive lakes and ponds. The River Gomti is a groundwater-fed river which originates from Tarai area of Pilibhit district, and flowing in the southeast direction, it drains into Ganga near Saidpur in Ghazipur district. In the Lucknow area, the Gomti River, a highly distorted meander and abandoned channel, belts indicating neotectonic activity in this region. This region exhibits three different geomorphic surfaces with their characteristic features, namely the upland terrace surface T2, river valley terrace surface T1, and active floodplain surface T0. The upland interfluve surface is also described as older alluvium or Bangar. It makes a high surface showing a variety of alluvial features, namely bhur ridges, abandoned channels, lakes, ponds, and patches of alkaline soils. This surface exhibits kilometer-scale undulations, making high grounds and low grounds with a number of large and small ponds and lakes. The ponds and lakes are usually associated with raised natural levees and alluvial ridges, which are often ancient sites of human settlements. These water bodies were formed in early to middle Holocene and provide a good record of paleoclimate and paleovegetation. Deposits of T surface are seen in cliff sections exposed along the river channels, showing many calcrete horizons. T1 surface is located within the Gomti River valley, above the level of annual floods of the river. It may be demarcated into two sublevels, that is T1 and T2. T0 surface makes the river channel and its active floodplain. The T1 surface is 5 to 10 meters above the T0 surface, and T2 surface is about 15 to 20 meters above the T1 surface. The old Lucknow city is located on the southern side of the Gomti River, which exhibits mostly higher surface. The planners of the old city of Lucknow made the maximum utilization of the landscape in the town development. The main residential areas are located on upland terrace surface, that is T2, free from annual river floods. The upper part of T1 surface was developed into parks and gardens and few monuments on raised grounds. The natural drainages were developed, trained and deepened for disposal of effluents as well as excess rainwater. The T2 surface extends in Chowk, Aminabad, Charbaग and cantonment areas with a general altitude of about 124 meters above sea level. Husainabad, Kaisarbagh and Hasratganj are located on degraded T2 and T1 surfaces. Many new settlements in Lucknow, namely Nirala Nagar, Mahanagar, parts of Gomti Nagar, that is Trans-Gomti area, are located on the T1 surface. During planning of the new residential areas, no consideration was given to the geological aspects, which resulted in waterlogging of the newly constructed areas during heavy rains. So this was a little bit on the geology of Lucknow area in today's episode of INQUA 2027. Well, till we meet again and hear about another aspect of Lucknow and its adjoining areas and unique things about this place, let's keep on enhancing our knowledge about Quaternary and Lucknow as well. Bye for now from Veera.